Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to use another building block of strumming, the upstrums. Few things to remember before jumping into the lesson. Strumming in the initial few weeks are going to be difficult. It requires a huge amount of practice. I could not play a song smoothly on ukulele for the first few months. And the similar thing happens to many players. Our brain cannot work on two different things at a time. If you have two things or more to work upon on the same time, only one thing can be done with our conscious mind and the rest on subconscious mind. You are pretty confident talking to other person while walking, isn't it? But do you pay attention on how your body balances itself? No, right? Happens automatically, isn't it? I assume many of you can ride a two-wheeler like a bicycle or a motorbike. If you have learned riding them, you can smoothly ride the bike while talking to someone else. But remember the initial days of learning when you were trying to maintain the balance or change gears. Would you be able to talk to someone else during those times? No, right? Same thing happens here too. During your playing sessions, you will do multiple things at a time. Tap your foot, change chords, strum, and some of you even will sing the song too. At least 3 to 4 things are being worked upon simultaneously. For most of the people, singing or playing chords will take the conscious attention for obvious reasons. So, we need to leave the rest on subconscious mind. That's why we developed a framework until now. Remember, we started with counting beats and then tapping our foot. Next, we incorporated downstrums in our practice and then counting ants followed by upstrums on ants. Also, I mentioned for each of them to do them smoothly is practice. That's how we start with conscious practice and eventually it goes to our subconscious mind and it takes care of it doing automatically. Many people find strumming hard because it takes all the steps mentioned above to be part of a subroutine in our brain. Hence, it takes time to develop the skill of strumming, and I would suggest moving on to next lesson until you feel relaxed and you can really think about other stuffs while your strums are automated. Something like this, okay? Though my strums are going on and I'm talking. That's it. So that's how your strums are automated. Now let's see how to incorporate upstrums and do our first strumming pattern. First of all, mute all your strings. Then start counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then perform downstrums on counts and upstrums on ants. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. By the way, that's also a strumming pattern. Down up, 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 down up. It's easy one. So when you are trying to play some songs, you can use the downstrum and you can use that strumming pattern as well. Now let's add some variation. First we'll start with adding just one upstrums after the second beat. So it becomes down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay. Now we are going to add one more upstrum after third beat also. So it basically becomes down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Remember, it should be relaxed but equally spaced motion. Now to add some spice to it, just try to add some chord changes on first and third beat. Let's say D major and G major. So these two chords we are going to do it, right? So what was the strumming pattern once again? Down, down, up, down, down. No, sorry. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. You should not stop strumming during your chord changes. It should not be like this. It should not be like this. Okay, you should have a non-stop, evenly spaced motion. When you can do this, that's a pretty good sign that your strumming has become an automated part of your response. Do not worry about the tempo of doing it. Don't bother working with chordboard or metronome at this stage. Just follow a consistent timing that you are comfortable with. Doing it too slow or too fast can both be difficult. So choose a suitable pace for yourself. That's it. We incorporated upstrums in our strumming patterns. If you are learning new things with my videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or questions.